Hi, welcome back. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a closet clean out and reorganization video. So essentially that means I'm just going through my clothes and seeing what I want to get rid of. I do this pretty regularly, so there's probably not going to be a huge pile. And I'm going to hit 3 sections of my closet today, or like 3 sections of my wardrobe today. I'm going to do like more, I call them formal shirts. They're more like fashion-y shirts, so like not t-shirts, but not sweaters. Then we're going to do pants, but not jeans. I know, I separate things very meticulously because I have so much of it, but whatever. And then the last section is we're going to do closet. I think we're going to do like the things hanging up in the closet, like cardigans, jackets, dresses, button-ups, like things that need to be hung up. And then also, we might go into the shoe rack. I think we're going to go into the shoe rack because there's some things that can go. So I tend to do the Marie Kondo method. So those of you who don't know the Marie Kondo method, you take everything out of your closet, you take the object in your hand and you hold it and you ask yourself, does this spark joy? And if it doesn't, then you say thank you, you thank it for its service to you, and then you get rid of it. So also when I go through my closet, I will have kind of 2 sections going on depending on what I'm getting rid of. So I'll have a sell section, and we're gonna go over how I sell my clothes in another video, and then I have a donate section. So donate clothes are either clothes that I've worn a little bit more, or clothes that I thrifted that I don't think would resell well, or clothes that I think are not as expensive, so I'm not as concerned about either A, getting my money back, or B, them going to a good home. I know it sounds like I'm adopting out pets like dogs, but they're clothes. So yeah, I'm gonna do some time-lapse shots of me going through some stuff, so I hope y'all enjoy. This shirt is so hard to fold because it's a little wrap shirt. It's really cute, but like I fold it and then it has a tail. I don't know what to do with the tail. I guess I'm just gonna wrap it. Maybe. It's being kept though. She's cute and new. So we've gone through shirts, like regular shirts, and then like pants. So I think that that's what we're gonna go through next, and then final section will be closet, and then we'll be done. So pants are done. So I kind of already knew what I wasn't wearing because I don't record what I'm wearing. Well, I mean, sometimes I do for this, but I know what I'm wearing regularly and I know what I'm not wearing regularly. So I kind of already know what I'm getting rid of, but it's nice to like take everything out and go through it. Now I have a sell pile and maybe we'll have a donate pile. So this dress is a really good example of why the Marie Kondo method works so well. So this dress I bought, I think a year ago from Free People for my birthday. I love it so much. I've worn it probably 3 times. So I have sentimental value towards it because I got it for a birthday and I wore it on a birthday, but it does not help me now. It does not spark any joy now, so I have to part ways with it. You know what I mean? It's really cute and I think it will be a really great staple piece and be very nice in somebody else's closet. But for me now, it doesn't help me. It just takes up space where I could put something else that I would wear more and get more use out of. So we had to say goodbye to her, even though we're going to miss her. But we say goodbye. So this is a good example of something that's going to be donated because it's a little bit older. I don't think anybody would want it, so we donate it. It will find a nice home. It's still good quality. Like, I wouldn't donate anything that's falling apart. I would just throw that away. But that's something that is not super trendy, so resale stores, like consignment stores, aren't going to take it, and no one's going to buy it on Depop. So she gets donated. It's a little look-see at my thought process, I guess, of going through at least my closet and like some different pieces and why I'm getting rid of them and where they're gonna go after I part ways with them. So that was me cleaning out my closet. I hope you all enjoyed my fun, quick little video. As I said, I think a couple times in the video, but I'll just say it again. In another video, I'm going to be going over how I sell my clothes. So that's going to be a little bit of a part 2 to this, kind of showing kind of my efforts towards sustainability and not just like getting rid of clothes. So that will be another video, so look out for that. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.